Good morning, dear students. How are you? Okay? Fine, fine. Today I will go for alternative forms of R and H. In fact, R is not called, it is called R, and H is called H. So, I will tell you the alternative forms of R and H. So, alternate means when a thing is used more than one time, then it is called alternative form. This and that. So this R consonants is used in two types. So R is used in two types, downward and upward. Downward is used in curve style, upward is used in straight. So the upward is used from down to up in 30-degree angle. So these are the mode of making the consonant R downward and upward. So now I will tell you at what time these alternative R is used. Downward R is used on the following grounds. You may note down it on the following grounds. Number first, when vowel preceding before R, then downward R is used. For example, arm, armorer, army, air. Number second, are you noting down these points? Fine. Second, when there is no any vowel in the final of R, R. For example, fair, fair, dare, share, care. So when there is no any vowel on the R consonant, R consonants, then downward R is used. Number third, when R is followed by M, then downward R is used. Room, rumor, room, so there are three reasons for writing R in downward. No, first, when vowel preceding before R, when there is no any vowel on the R. when R is followed by M. The three regions are used for using alternative form of R, downward. So now I will come upward. It is used from down to upward on the 30-degree straight stroke line. Right? So it is also used on the following region. How to use upward on the following region? Number first, when R is followed by straight strokes. When R is followed by straight strokes. Okay? Like read, 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 road, and th also, like earth. Read, read, rich, and earth. So these are the action for writing upward. Number two, when R consonants is followed by vowel, like dairy, carry, sherry, marry, so when vowel followed R, then upward are used. So I told you the reason for writing alternative R, R. Right? Fine. You have noted all these things. Question, if raised in your mind, should be clarified after finishing the subject. So now it is over for alternative form R, downward and R, upward and down. So these facts I have told you, and I am happy that you have noted all these points for your reference purpose. This H, her is also used in two types. Number one, upward. Number two, downward. So this regarding upward H. It is used very commonly. It is used very commonly. So I will tell you the fact: heat, hood, hung, likho, happy, hit, hitch. So these are the examples for writing upward. So many examples are there, so you have to make this exercise also. But these are some examples. Now I will come downward. So downward H is also used on 45-degree, either it is upward or it is downward. So from this upward you are clear. Now I am coming downward H. downward H is used when H is followed by K and J. Have, or used independently. Listen, when H is followed by K and J or used independently, then it is used downwards. Fine? You write down this easily. Have, hook, hawker, hawken, like that. Independent, he, these are the reason for writing downward H. I am happy you are writing, you are noting it in your notebook. It's just for your reference. If you write down, then it will be better in your favor. So I have finished my subject of H, alternative form, R and H. So I think you are clear. So thank you very much. My subject is over.